Welcome to 21834 Belshire in Hawaiian Gardens. A newly remodeled interior, and that's just the beginning. Let's take a look. The kitchen boasts pull-out drawers, soft close drawers, a large single basin stainless steel sink, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen even has this open concept with bar seating that leads to the dining room. Down the hallway, you'll find a thoughtfully laid out bathroom with a private toilet and shower adjacent to a separate space allocated to the vanity. For those busy mornings, the cellars were detailed in their selection of countertops and in space planning with the abundance of storage. In this 2-bedroom, you'll find the master has a walk-in closet to fit your needs. And let's not forget the small details that make a big difference. Dual pane windows and new flooring throughout. You're a 10-minute drive to the San Gabriel River bike trail that leads to the beach. If biking is not your thing, a 20-minute drive will have you watching the remarkable beach sunset.